How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the extremely dirty Max. I say that because it really needs to be clean, but that can wait. So you'll see this thing behind me, probably somewhere in this area. Not the dog, that stack. Today that stack's gonna go and we're just gonna replace it with a whole 5-inch back exhaust. So the way that we're gonna do this, that I'm gonna show to y'all, is I'm just gonna go ahead and set this new exhaust out that I got. Just a MagnaFlow 5-inch system, pretty basic. So inside the bag that comes with this, you're gonna have about 5 of these clamps, the wideband clamps, so they're a lot better than just the small little short ones or skinny circle ones or the super long ones. A lot of people prefer those super thick ones, you know, because you can just kind of hold them wherever, but these are actually my go-to. I like these the best because mainly I know where everything's sitting inside of there. It's gonna come with a thing to tell you to read the instructions before. It's gonna come with the instructions I already took out, and it's gonna come with their warranty card and sticker. Make sure you fill out that warranty card, because if something happens down the road and you don't have that filled in, turned in pretty much right away, they probably won't let you do it. Moving along, we have everything on package that needs to be. I am not going to use the kind of downpipe piece back that came with it because I already have that 5-inch one in there, and that piece is a pain to get in. It's just a lot of twisting, and you might bend it. I just remember the first time I put exhaust on this truck, it wasn't that fun. But what we're gonna do now, we have it all laid out, is for my short bed, this section right here, you actually gotta chop 13 inches off of it. You could always just not run the 20-inch extension. I wouldn't recommend that. It's not gonna fit right. So just go ahead, chop the 13 inches off of that. We're gonna go ahead and get to that right now and then finish up with the installation. So now that we're all set up outside here, we want to go 13 inches from the closed side. So before you start whipping your pants down, we'll just measure it. So ready, now it's time to cue the montage and get this disassembly going. I think I'm gonna start up top, take the stack off, pull everything down. Let's get right on it. part's moving a little bit. Makes sense that this part's been in here for a while, so it's gonna be pretty sticky there. I've got it to move maybe 1/4 of an inch-ish, but still got a ways to go, and I am by myself. So kind of rigged up this little thing to keep the tension on it while I beat on it and try to move it, and let's just hope for the best. So look at that. If you're ever having a problem with troubled exhaust, freaking hook a ratchet strap to it and you'll be just dandy. The setup worked as long as you keep tightening it and hammering away, and I do so personally believe that this will come in handy quite a bit for a lot of y'all out there. Next, let's get this piece in. All right, folks, my camera's getting pretty full, so we just gotta do this slow. I've gotten it put in all the way up to the axle dump. I'm not gonna run axle dump. I'm gonna throw this last piece in, but all in all, it's turning out pretty good. As long as you fan those, the ODs, if you fan it out a little bit, it'll go on a lot easier and it'll make your life better. I'm zip tying this up with some rubber for now. I then have to go and get the actual hanger for the exhaust. So let's go ahead and get that last piece put on. Finished product, it's gonna come out right about there. This is with no tip. For some reason, this kit doesn't want to come out right here like most do. It kind of wants to shoot back, but honestly, I kind of like it. Leaves me with a lot of options to customize anything. You know, if I want to go like the newer Duramax style and shoot it straight back, I can cut and just put a straight pipe in so it doesn't turn. I could use my elbow that I have and turn it more so it comes straight out. A lot of options I can do, but for now I'm happy with it. Let's go ahead and get the bolts tight and see how she sounds. Alrighty guys, I'm gonna go ahead and clean up and take the beast out on the street. If you like what you saw, please go ahead and give it a like. Subscribe to my channel as well. I could use all the subscribers I can get right now, being I'm just starting out. Starting to bring better content quality, and I think it's finally starting to get easier and getting the hang of things. Alright everybody, thank you for watching. Have a great